Hi, I'm Adam Andrews, the executive chef at Farm Girl, and we're here at Portobello. We're going to make a dish called Island Breakfast. We're pretty health focused here at Farm Girl. We like to use all in fresh ingredients and gluten-free and sugar-free where we can. And this is a vegetarian dish featuring Clarence Court eggs. This is avocado, feta, sherry vinegar, lemon zest, lemon juice, and salt just blitzed up. Can't get more Australian than avo and feta. Then we've got some roasted sweet potato, steamed kale, then some soy pickled shiitakes. We pickle these in a mix of sherry vinegar, soy sauce, ginger, a little bit of brown sugar, and some star anise. Parsley, some dill, some chervil, and then finish it with some roasted hazelnuts, a little bit of crunch, pinch of salt, pepper, Clarence Court eggs, last but not least, granary sourdough from Sally Clark. And that's it, that's the Island Breakfast here at Farm Girl.